$102 profit. This is what we've pulled out of the market this morning with our very powerful Forex Scalping robot. And from $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $106,600 of equity within 15 months of trading. You can start using this robot with an equity of only $100 and take it to higher levels. If someone has started with us 15 months ago with an equity of only $100, presently he should be at about $5,600 of equity within 15-month period, which is a very huge return. And presently we have only one running trade, and I believe before the end of this video the trade is going to close and surely into profit, because in this it has just closed into profit. And this is how every day we keep making profit with this our very powerful scalping robot. Most often trade will last between 1 to 10 minutes into the market because our stop loss is very tight, our take profit is very tight, and there is a take profit on every trade open, and there is also a stop loss, and also there is a trailing stop that secures every bit of profit you make out of the market, which is something very, very good. And so far we've had very few losses with this robot, very few losses with huge return, very few losses, as you can see. That is how every day we keep making money out of the market with this robot. We coded this robot with 4 different strategies. All of the strategies are trend following strategies. Presently, there is no other trade open because the robot is still scanning for the market. When all conditions are met, the robot is going to open another trade. With this robot, trades are not open randomly. Every entry is well calculated. Because our strategies are trend following, that is why our win rate is so high. And take note, we are trading with a fixed lot size. As the equity of this account grows, we keep increasing the lot size. That is how over time we are going to be making more and more profit. And in the download file you are going to receive, we are going to give you all instructions on how to set up the robot and the lot sizes you're supposed to use according to your account equity. You can start with $100 equity and you can take it to higher values. Why not $50,000? That's the power of compounding. Ourselves, we aim at taking this account to $1 million. That's going to be very possible. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and follow us as we take this account to $1 million together. And the good news we have for you guys is that instead of $970, at the moment you can get a copy of this robot at only $149 and start making money too out of the financial market. When we officially launch this robot, it is going to be sold at $970. Please permit my English. I'm a French speaker, so I'm trying to improve. Thank you very much. And so far there is still no trade open. So when you get a robot, it is possible for you to have like an hour or 30 minutes without a trade being open because trade entries are well calculated. And each time we are giving you guys updates about this robot, we always make sure we show you the running trade for you to see how low the drawdown of this robot is. If there are 3 things we are proud of about this robot, number 1 is the low drawdown, number 2 is the high win rate, number 3 is the security. Security is the most important when you are going for a trading robot like this, because as you can see, every trade has a stop loss, which is to secure your account equity. And in the parameters, you can set up the number of trades, the maximum number of trades that the robot can open. Meaning, even if there is a news event and it hits your stop loss, you are going to lose only a small portion of your equity, which is something very good. And whenever we have some losing trades or a losing day with this robot, most often the trades are going to be recovered either the same day or the following trading day. So make sure you get a copy of this robot and start making money out of the financial market. You can also use this robot to pass the challenge on different prop firms, be it my Forex Fund or FTMO or whatever prop firms. So far we've passed 4 different prop firms with this robot, which is something very good. So far the robot have opened yet another trade. As you can see, every trade is opened directly with a stop loss and a take profit. Now for a robot that have a stop loss and a take profit to have this amount of win rate, check on our other videos, you see how the win rate of this robot is high. For a robot that has open trade with stop loss and take profit, to have this amount of win rate, it can only be a good robot. And this win rate is high because our strategies are all trend following. we trade with the trend. With this robot, you don't need to sit in front of charts all day long to analyze candlesticks or chart patterns. No, you don't need to be drawing support and resistance. Everything has been done for you in this robot. This robot scans the market for you, and you simply make profit. And very soon, I believe this trade is going to go into profit. So this robot can be a source of passive income for you, which is something very good. The robot trades for you 24/5, which is something very good. We trade on Forex. During weekends, market is closed, so we trade 5 days within the week. This is nice. As I said, this trade is already into profit. And one thing good is that when a trade is in profit, it is difficult to go into loss because a trailing stop is already activated to secure the bit of profit you've made out of the market. We are present at 403.35. Let's watch and see as this trade closes into profit. As I said at the beginning of this video, entries are well calculated, which is something very good. Well, let's watch and see. It has just closed into profit in front of your eyes. This is so amazing, and that is how within the day we keep making money with this robot. Every day, almost each and every day, we make profit with this robot. So make sure you get a copy of this robot and take advantage of this opportunity. Get a copy at only $149. We are going to be there to assist you to set up the robot and be sure that you are also making profit. And always, when you send us a message, please be patient, and we always make sure we reply to all of your messages. It may take some time because we have many clients. So when you send us a message, please be patient. We are going to make sure we get back to you and give you appropriate support. So no trade open again. The robot is still scanning. This is so amazing. A very powerful scalping robot, and we recommend you use a broker with very tight spread. As you see, the stop loss is very tight, the take profit is very tight, so you should use a broker that have very tight spread. In this video description, we recommend 2 brokers to you. You can use your present broker if it has a very tight spread. So the best thing is that you should have a tight spread broker. Bye for now. See you in our other videos. Make sure you like and subscribe as we take this account to $1 million together. Ciao.